everyone, welcome back to our channel startuplanes.com. I am Namrata and I am taking interviews of the CEOs and founders of several innovative startups in India. In today's interview, I'll be talking to Mr. Suresh Balasu, the founder and CEO of Tizola. Tizola is a food delivery app that was founded in December 2020 and has been running successfully with more than 8,000 app downloads and more than 13,000 successful food deliveries till now. More recently, Swift and Lyft has awarded Tizola as one of the most promising food and beverage companies of 2021. You want to know more about the franchisee model of Tizola? Let's get into the video.
Good morning. Welcome to today's session. I'm Namrata. I'll be taking your interview. Can you please introduce yourself to the audience?
Hi, this is Balasu Suresh, CEO of Tizola Food Delivery. Actually, this is the new company. I started it at this Tizola Food Delivery in December 2020. From last six months, we will introduce new cities in franchising. Tizola is India's first ISO certified franchisee model food delivery company.
Okay. So, how did you come up with the idea of this?
From my graduation, I would like to become an entrepreneur. I had an idea for my startup to start my own business. I made groundwork from more than 2 years for this food delivery app. In order to set up a real-time experience, I have also started a restaurant with delivery system in my hometown. After that, I got some experience, and from 1 year we deliver some orders, and we got a real experience. After that, we will start Tizola Food Delivery.
Okay. So, the idea that you had, it had to had a market gap. Like startup के लिए एक market gap जरूरत थी. So, could you identify that market gap?
Yes, madam. Marketing gap I identified before starting the Tizola and after started the Tizola. We are working on it, continuously working on it, and we go to some other cities and their capability and their market strategies. That's why we are starting in small cities only present. After that, we will go to big cities. Presently, we are working in 17 cities in AP and Telangana. Before and after, we will working more than 35 cities. Groundwork is completed. We have an idea, and their cities market strategy and their population and restaurants data and how much amount of counter sales.
So, how difficult was it in the beginning to start?
But I faced a lot of problems in the starting stage. We had a lot of problems from marketing side and financial side, and we faced a lot of problems. The main problem is marketing. In the market, there are many more apps are there. They are my competitors, and we go to the restaurants. They are not easily agree with to tie up in my collaboration with my app. We will try to convince them, and there will be a difficulty in the world, any business, to reaching the customers, and that's why we are mainly focusing the marketing in the process of introducing application to the restaurant owners as well as the customers. And some restaurant owners are not having technical knowledge. That's why we are ready to prepare them, and we explain about the app 2 or 3 times until he reaches some idea about this app.
Right. So, can you explain your business model a bit?
Yes, madam. My business model is mostly we are concentrating in franchisee model for introducing the new entrepreneurs, and as well as we also encourage the young entrepreneurs. And it is a very difficult process to start. Everyone has his own business. That's why we are introducing franchisee model. In franchisee model, there are some, anyone want to be into business, we are ready to give franchisee in particular locations. In franchisee model, they are having less burden, and branding and promotion is our company side. And in franchisee model, we introduce some other cities, about 50,000 population to 3 lakhs population. The franchisee fee amount is also based on their city and their business strategy. That's why it's easy to start business and with less investment.
Okay, so can I know what are the services or products you offer right now?
Yes, presently we are offering only food delivery services. In the food, we are having different categories like pizzas and continental food and fast food and biryani items and rice items. In many cities, we are having small towns also. We are having multi cuisines. There are several restaurants. They are offering several types of foods, and customer is also wants different kinds of foods. That's why presently we are offering only food. In future,
Right.
we will enter into different kinds of fields.
So what is
Like
your
meats.
target customer? Like whom are you actually targeting?
We mainly concentrate on and also focusing on the cities. We talk about cities, we mostly concentrate on tier 2 cities. And coming to the customers, we are concentrating on age 18 to 45 years customers. Mostly they are using smartphones. Nowadays, smartphone usage is very high. In small towns and big towns, everyone has having own smartphone with internet connection. That's why we are concentrating on 18 to 50 years age.
Okay. So why do you think that your customers should order from you only?
Because of we are giving very good services and provide very genuine offers only. Most of the food delivery and also other delivery services giving the offers by increasing the amount in the menu cards, but we are offering less offers, but each and every offer is genuine, and also our services is very good. We proudly say that we are giving better service to the customers. And my app is also our Tizolo app is also very easy to use and very simple for operations. It is easily understand by the customers, and less knowledge people are using this app very easily. They can operate very easily.
Right. So what are the 3 things that you think makes your company better than your competitors?
The first one is teamwork. We have good team. They are always working on it. They have very good passion on this working. And second one is customer service, better customer service. Every time we got one single opinion to the customers, we will take as serious. Each and every point is precious to me and to our company. And many customers and restaurants owners already has given some kind of suggestions, and with the suggestions we will grow up more. And the third one is simplest and very coolest. It is very easy to use in small towns also, and restaurant owners also having good business. We are having competition, but we thought that each city having healthy competition in between our customers, like our customers, and we provide better environment between the customers and vendors. We are having friendly operation for better
Right.
service.
So if somebody is willing to work with you as your employee, why should they?
Yes, our doors are always open for new entrepreneurs, but not an employee. We encouraging always with franchisee model, and our company main aim is to provide employment, but we are encouraging only franchisee model. The main principle of our company is everyone who wants to work with me, they are always working with together only, not to under me or not to under any other person. We are always working together only. We are always working for company only. That's why
Okay,
our company doors are always open for upcoming entrepreneurs.
right. So if you were not doing this business, what else were you be doing?
Actually, no doubt about this. From my graduation days onwards, I want to be an entrepreneur. When I fails to start this business, I will be start another business. No problem. And I am very passionate to this business. Aggressively, I am entering this business, and always I will effort on this business only. Is all food delivery. In future, you will see in the most of the cities, most popular cities in all over India.
Right. So also, what are the products or services that you particularly require to run your own business?
Yes, we are providing food delivery services. The main thing is we are providing only third party food delivery services. We are collaborating with several restaurants in multi cities. Every city is having 10 to around 25 restaurants. They provide multi cuisines, and we are having every city we are having very good team, like one supervision, one for supervision, and some other delivery boys, like delivery executives. They are also
Right.
having very good customer relationship. They are ready to help you always for customers only.
Okay. So when you're looking out for vendors, when you are selecting vendors and suppliers, what are the things you keep in mind?
We always encouraging the restaurant owners also, and our main aim is to motivate the vendors. Each of the city vendor, when he wants to prepare online menu card, it is very difficult to him separately. But we are introducing the food delivery services in their city, in particular city. In city, there are many restaurants. We are collaborating with all restaurant owners, like vendors. Our team will working on all vendors in city must be in collaborate with Tizola app.
Okay. So have you planned any short-term and long-term goals for your company?
Yes, we have long-term goals only. Within 6 months, we are introducing 80 cities in Andhra and Telangana. After that, in couple of years, we are expanding our services all over India. That is our goal.
Okay.
We definitely achieve that.
Right. So for having a startup, we all know that funding is required. So are you currently like raising external funds, or are you willing to in the near future?
Yes, we are searching for funding also. Why? Because we are expanding cities. It is very, very difficult to entering in big cities. That's why we are searching for funding. In future, we are raising funds also.
Right. Lastly, what are your thoughts on startup lanes?
It is better to having good experience, and already we saw some other startup introduced, and we learned a lot of from this. And some other people are having for giving good suggestions. Every startup company needs one and one encouragement like this startup plan. Nowadays, the marketing is also very tough to new entrepreneurs.
Right. Well, that would conclude our interview today, but it was lovely talking to you and getting to know about your business. Thank you for joining today.
Thank you. Thank you very much.